Hey, it's Chris again, and in this last video, I'm going to explain to you essentially how to set up your own shortcuts for the extension to save time. So, how do you open the extension, the browser extension? So you can either open the extension by clicking on the icon above, or you can directly open the extension by adding a shortcut. Usually by default, the shortcuts get added to the extension, but very often we've seen that through some blockers that some browsers might have, they don't get added or they don't work automatically. So if you want to add one or you want to change that shortcut, simply click here at the bottom on the extension or go to settings and option, change the shortcut. And here at the top, you'll have marked what is your current shortcut. If you then want to then change it, if you're in Firefox, as we are right now, simply copy the following link, open a new tab, paste it, then open here on the wheel and manage extension shortcuts. And here you can then set your own shortcut. So in this case, the one I like is Command-Shift-M. It sets it up. And now this way, whenever I'm on any page, I can just do Command-Shift-M and it automatically opens it. On the other hand, if I am in Chrome, I open the extension. Here, by default, I have it set as Command-M. I use a Mac. But if I want to change it, similarly, I copy this link. So copy link, open a new tab, paste. And then here, for the myReach web clipper, the myReach browser extension, I can then change the shortcut on how to open it. So I have set it as Command-M. So now this way, regardless of what page I am on, with Command-M, I can open and close my shortcut. Awesome. So this is a short brief about how to use the browser extension. What are the various functionalities that it has? If you have any feedback or any ideas, please do let us know directly from the forum here by clicking on Give Us Feedback. Hope you enjoy the functionalities and look forward to hearing your feedback.